No, hayi guys, ogqoka iweave kuleli langa leli uyibolekile. Ukwazi ugqoka into yakho kushisa nje. Awukwazi nje uyibolekile nje mfethu. Hayibo, ngeke. Lo weave uyibolekile kuyona yakho. Ufuna uyigqoka nje uyidelise. Akwazi ngeke.
So as you guys heard, Naledi Aphiwe basically was saying, for translation, those ones, I'm just gonna summarize it. Basically what she was saying was that you can't wear a wig or a weave in this heat. As you guys know from my previous post about Naledi Aphiwe, she went back home Emakhaya for a funeral of a family member, and I suppose it was hot because wow, South Africa is hot during the day. And she was like, you can't wear a weave in this heat, you really can't. But do you know what I like that she takes care of her natural hair as much as she wears nice wigs. Like, there's something I'm seeing when it comes to women. Like, back then women would just wear wigs because they were going through like a bad hair day, but these days it's like you need to braid your hair, even if it's not fancy like the way Nadine is doing, and then wear a wig or a weave. So God forbid something happens and your wig or your weave happens to fall off, at least your hair looks nice. But yeah, even with the women that have braids, I have seen women who actually tie their hair all the way at the top and not have hair on their shoulders because it's hot. Like, guys, it's extremely hot in South Africa. I don't know which part of South Africa you guys are in, but in Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Limpopo, KZN, guys, it's hot. It's hot during the day, and if you need to take off that weave, take it off. I support it. Take it off, but also take care of your natural hair. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.